everyone, welcome to our unboxing video. So in this video I will show everything what is inside in this beautiful handheld cordless quiet vacuum cleaner V17. So okay, let's see what is inside, right? Here's the box. So okay, let's start to take all of this stuff one by one. Okay, I'm gonna start from this one. So okay, what is that? Oh yeah, this is actually dual brush rollers. They are omnidirectional, and as you can see, this one is V-shaped and this one is like typical roller, which is really good, and it's easy to maneuver and easy to clean any other, like, hard reached places. Oh, I can see its battery. As you can see, the battery actually is like our 2500 milliampere. Oh, actually this is really good too, because see, it can just be longer and even shorter. It's very easy, and it will be really comfortable to everyone to use it. So here's actually another brush, which is really cool. I like this kind of like brushes, so nice. Okay, this tube actually it's very long. This tube actually used to take all of this like main motor. This brush actually created to clean all of these mites and molds. So as you can see here, it has this kind of the tube. There's all of this like the motor here, and actually it has like two HEPA filters. One is here, the second one is like here. So I can open. Oh, you know what? Here actually there's some kind of brush that like this HEPA filter actually can be replaceable, and it has different type of the colors. You will definitely love it. And at the end of this vacuum cleaning thing, you can actually customize your vacuum cleaner. Just put it in different sizes and all that stuff. So oh yeah, the battery actually will be really easy to just put it inside. So for example, we'll take this part and like, yeah, so it's done. So let's see, maybe it's working actually. Yeah, it's really working. Oh yes, I totally forgot about this part. So I heard like it, for example, if you can just put it really inside, it can be light up. See? What else inside? I think I probably just didn't tell everything. Okay, there's a Bible, which is like manual. And then, oh yeah, we actually can see this is adapter for your battery. This is battery adapter. You can just, take a charge of your battery. So here it will be really easy. No longer in one, like actually two. Oh yeah, this is like two in one brush, and there it will be really easy. Yeah. And actually are these like really folding or like the nozzle. For example, when you're gonna clean all of this like surface like with down your bed or even sofa, you don't have to fold. This will be automatically folding. Yes, cool. This open boxing thing, I have to actually also talk about this wall mount. So yeah, well, we done with unboxing thing. I hope you're gonna love it, all of this product. And yeah, so if you have any other questions, please you can ask from our webinar. Bye, see you later.